Alright, y'all. Welcome back to Blazing Sky. We got Sky on the Triple X, Uncle Al on the Rawrr Mantis X, and Mello on the MX-5 Pro. This is probably going to be one of the last times you see the Triple X because it is now for sale. So, anyone interested, comment below. We will deliver within a certain radius. Let's eat! Yep. Alright, we are on our way. Oh, that's a nice jacket there, mama. Sky with one of our exclusive Blazing Sky jackets. Yeah, ha ha ha. One of a kind. We're following behind the mama. So the Triple X will come with the most coveted Shinko 241 tires, dual sport tread. It also has a shift lock installed on both sides to keep you well planted while doing wheelies and such. It's also got the Luna float seat, so it's an inch thicker padding all the way around, more comfortable. And it also has 3.5 inch riser bars. Solid bike. Never given us any problems. It's got 1,205 miles. Okay, turning left. What? Do that little jump? You want to do that little jump? Mello said yes, please. I don't know about this one. Oh, maybe right here. You like that? Huh. Oh, off-roading again. Hold on. We're gonna go off the curb, okay? So stand up when we get over here. Right here, stand up. Stand up. Oh. Let's follow mama. We caught up with mama. Good idea. Oh yeah. I want more. Yeah. Yeah. All right.
Okay, I could do this for a
while. Oh, nice. Oh yeah. Oh. A lot of cars this time. Well, now it's not dark, we can see them. Oh. Watching mama have fun. Alright, we're going down. Down, down, down. Oh, speed bump. She missed the turn. Well, it sure is getting dark.